Hello everyone, welcome to GRE Question of the Day. Today we will discuss a question on quadratic equations. As you can see, our today's question is a multiple choice question with a single correct answer. In this question, we are given a quadratic equation y is equal to x squared minus 32x plus 256, and we are asked to find the least possible value of y. Before we move on, I would request all of you to pause this video and try to solve this question on your own. In case you couldn't do it, do not lose hope since I am here to help you out. Before we move on to the detailed solution, let us take a quick glance at the correct answer. As you can see, the correct answer is option 5. That is, the minimum value of y is 0. Now let us see how we arrive at this particular answer. So, we are given that y is equal to x squared minus 32x plus 256. Now we know that 256 is equal to 16 square, and this equation can be rewritten as y is equal to x squared minus 2 into 16 into x plus 16 whole square. Now we see that this takes the form of a square minus 2ab plus b square. Hence, we can rewrite y as x minus 16 whole square. Hence, y takes the form of x minus 16 whole square. Hence, this being a square of a number is always greater than or equal to 0. And hence, the least value of y is equal to 0 when x equals to 16. Hence, the correct answer is option 5. I hope you guys could follow the solution. In case you couldn't, please pause this video and go through the typed solution here. With this, we come to an end of our today's session. We'll be back soon with more videos. Until then, keep working hard. Thank you and all the best.